Have you ever looked up at the sky and felt like something was a little off? Well, right now, something truly strange is happening up there. It's this wild paradox that happens every single year. And you know what? Most of us never even notice it. And get this, the sun just grew bigger. No, I'm not being poetic here. This isn't some artsy description of a sunset. I mean, literally, the actual measurable size of the sun in our sky right now is bigger than it's going to be in 6 months. It's a real thing. And it's so predictable that astronomers have been tracking it for centuries. So, why are we so cold? I mean, that's the big mystery, right? Basic logic, the kind you learn as a kid, tells you that a bigger, closer fire means more heat. But here we are, at least in the northern hemisphere, shivering, scraping ice off our cars, and wearing every layer we own. It just doesn't add up. Okay, so check this out. This is the contradiction laid out plain and simple. In one corner, you've got our everyday experience. It's cold, the days are short, maybe there's snow on the ground. And in the other corner, you have a hard scientific fact. The sun is measurably larger in the sky, which means we are physically closer to our solar system's giant furnace. So how on earth can both of these things be true at the exact same time?
Now, before we get to the answer, let's just clear the air about what this is not. A lot of people might jump to conclusions. Is it climate change? Nope. Even the dinosaurs saw this happen. Is the sun itself actually getting bigger, like it's puffing up? No way. And it's not some kind of optical illusion or a mistake in the measurements. The data is rock solid. This is just fundamental, well-established astronomy. All right, so to crack this puzzle, we've got to look for the first big clue. And here's the twist. It has nothing to do with the sun. It's all about the path our own planet takes on its epic journey through space.
You know, most of us probably have this picture in our heads from grade school of the Earth going around the sun in a perfect circle. But that's not quite right. The reality, which we've known since the days of Kepler, is that Earth's orbit is more like a slightly squashed circle, an ellipse. And, this is the important part, the sun isn't sitting right in the middle. Because of this, our distance from the sun is actually changing all the time, all year long.
And this brings us to a super important word, perihelion. It comes from the Greek for near and sun, which makes perfect sense. This is that one moment every single year, right around early January, when Earth swings in for its closest approach to the sun. And because we're closer, bingo, the sun looks bigger in our sky. That's exactly what's happening right now.
Now, on the flip side, about 6 months later in early July, we have the opposite, aphelion. Again, from the Greek, away from the sun. This is when we're at our farthest point, and the sun looks its smallest. We're talking a